for blood. Saan nga blood?
Andito na siya.
Nandito lang ako.
Sige, let's group sa outside.
Pinalo ka pa ng horse blood. Yung favorite horse.
Same numbers yan, di ba? Same numbers yan, di ba? Everyone hold, come to the, come to the crown. Blue dot, can you scout? Yo, yellow, red na nakasunod doon. Come here.
Curious, what the fuck?
Execute sa ito. Ito di ata ito, ano.
Okay lang, hindi. Ribbon yung nakakuha eh.
Siniflip
Yep.
pa sa atin.
SS Team Boss? What the fuck?
Ano yan?
Boss.
Anong emboss? Sige, we can fight that emboss. That's a good guild, ah. Ha?
Peter lang.
Eh?
Yeah.
Sige lang, sige.
Naka-purto.
Nakamount up ba sila?
Yup. Ang iba nag-food up na sa ano.
Everyone, dismounting you find the crown. 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 We're gonna catch her. We're gonna catch her. Five. I catch. Dead, bro.
What the fuck?
Ayun na, shooter nga lang. Kagi marunong magaling na guild dapat to eh.
Hindi ah.
Mounted yung cooler ah.
Asan?
Dismount dito sa akin.
Ayun na 1K.
Come everyone. What's the north? Come sa north, everyone. Where's the north? We're careful on the north side. West. Come west. Defensive. Everywhere gonna look south. Look south. Find the crown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ito lang. Delete this. Can you delete? Wala. Everyone come west side on. Spread them south. Spread south. Sige, keep rolling them. Spread south. Keep coming south. South. We're looking east. Looking east. Spread kayo dyan, Mata Birdia. Look east. We're gonna look north. Look east. We're gonna look north. Look east. Okay, look north in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dito lang kay Kizo. Come north. Kill that muna. Kill their ballers. Nice one. Kill sexy. Okay, walk south. Spread, everyone. Spread. We're looking east. Roll them out. Sige. Food up na kayo. Food up na lang. Don't OC. Food up. Roll them. Don't OC. We're gonna look north in 5 seconds. Observe that. Okay, look north. Root bomb. Sa root bomb. After the root bomb. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So, dito na. Kill this.
Northwest.
Come east. Okay, OC na everyone. OC, come east, everyone. OC, come east. This is cuties. Ito, I'm ping. Don't go too far. Come east. Don't follow those. Don't follow yung kalaban natin kanina. We're gonna look west, everyone. East. We're gonna look west. Careful ah. We're gonna look. Come west side. We're gonna look west side. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here. Okay, come north. North. Everyone, north. Find the Hellgate north. Find the Hellgate north. Come north. Everyone, come north. We're gonna engage inside of us. Yo, come south, Maki. Ready. Blah. Come, regroup. We're gonna engage out. We're gonna engage out in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here. Everyone is here. Wala na. Come north. Defensive tops keep holding them. We're gonna look. Pats. Everyone pats. Okay, keep coming north. Can you heal? We still have all the healers. All the healers are still here. Everyone observe. We're gonna look inside that. 10 seconds. Come west. West. Come look. We're gonna engage south. Come west. We're gonna look south in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South. Okay, west side to the outpost. Okay, but let's get nila. I think that's a third party. Come west. Come sa north. Everyone, if you're getting low, Bene, come west side. Sige, west side. Everyone keep coming west side. We're gonna rotate west side, everyone. West side. I hear the crown. Yo, naliligaw na kayo. You're getting west side. We're gonna rotate. This is a 3-way fight already. Come west side. Someone less than the amount of... Okay, we're gonna look southwest now. Yo, spread. We're not gonna be the one the first to engage. We're gonna... Okay, look west side, sa perma nila, sa perma. After that na, inside of us, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ito na, sa perma. Okay, kamis muna. Is muna. Cross the choke. Kamis. Keep rolling kung mga nasa inside of us. Okay, nasa na engage. Ito yung perma. Okay lang. Absorb. Okay lang. We're still good. West side, everywhere. West side. Walk in, outside. Inside of us, start. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North. Kami side. Everyone southeast. Okay, dyan. That's the third party again. Come east. Have this front, everyone. Have this front. Come southeast. Everyone, have this front, come southeast. Sige, have this front, come southeast. We're gonna sandwich. Hold this front. We're gonna hold this choke. Sige, we're still good. Shit, namatay yung mga debuffs natin.
Ano tayo, BP?
Catch your start. Come south. Let's catch this.
Looking sila sa southwest, ah. Yung
Yeah, come west side. Hey, this is another front. Coming northeast. Come northeast. Sige, this is cheaters. Hindi na makakamount up. This is Bayern. Come northeast. Sige, this is another front. We disengage na tayo sa kanina. Everyone, keep in mind, we are disengaged sa kanina. There's a bomb. Come east. Sige, keep coming east. We're gonna catch siya. Keep coming east. I'm gonna catch this.
Yung 20 running down yung QPs namin.
Running ka sa likod niya?
Yes, running down.
Keep coming. Help west side. Keep coming east. Southeast na. Down the choke. Southeast. Sige. This is a good fight. We're gonna look north. Southeast. Keep on southeast. Can you help everyone? Keep helping everyone. We're done in 10 seconds to engage. Okay, dyan, okay. Come east. That's a choke. We're gonna engage on the crown. On the crown south side. Never mind, wala. Come southeast muna. Drizzy, come southeast. So we're gonna look northeast, north side. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is. Can you kill that? Wala. This is a fail. Come east. Fail engage. East. Don't absorb that. East. Iwasan nyo. Nice one. Come east. Sige, everyone, come east. Wala tayo nagagawa if they load. Come east. We need to priority the party. We disengage. Are you pinapala pa ba kayo? Come north. Sige. Come north. Then cross the choke. Everyone. Cross the choke. Nice one. We're gonna look on the choke. Wala na. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the choke. Wala kami east. Come south. Bakit tinutuloy tayo? South. Are they stay following? Okay, mount up tayo. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mount up, everyone. Mount up. We disengage. Come east after you mount up. East after you mount up. Shit, we lost too many people.
Mataga naman tayo ng mga DPS na yun. Kanina yung...
Hindi,
lagi dyan sa likod.
Naklamp tapos wala na ganun defensive yun.
Hindi ba kayo nakapag-pop ng pots?
Hindi. Na-delete talaga sila. Engage.
Ang bilis. Yep.
Kung southeast, that's good.
Long bow yung DPS ng kanan.
Wala rin akong info dun sa third, sorry. Hindi ko na nalaman.
Nagulat ka rin ako eh. Bigla na lang naging
7 point yung nakapatay sa Perma eh.
Yung mga napatay naman yata.
Perma color ng isang group.
That's why.
Hit yung one na dami.
Perma.
Ito pala,
Yung zone
yung
south.
ano nila eh. Page nila.
Kaya pala parang ang dami agad nilang. Sige, zone. Let's disengage.